Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy. I hope you're all staying in and you're safe. Today I thought of cooking special vegetable which is called bottle gourd. Now this is a bit rare to get in this part of the world. Some people will know it as Laukee and others might call it Calabash. Where I come from, definitely, and some African countries I know, they know this as Calabash. Bottle gourd can be cooked in many different ways and it tastes very nice, but I think the best way to cook it is to make kofta out of it. Now you might know many ways to cook kofta. My way is a bit different. I don't use so much of milk or cream in it. It's quite simple to make. So please watch this video till the end so you can see how I do it. Anyway, I'm going to talk you through the recipe and show you all the ingredients you want. Please let me know if you cook it in a different way. I'll be very happy to see how you do things. But for now, let me just talk you through the recipe. For the kofta, you'll need a medium-sized bottle gourd, a 1/4 cup of gram flour, chopped onions and chilies, ginger and garlic grounded, salt, curry leaves and cumin seeds. So we'll start by grating the gourd in a bowl. After grating, you'll notice that this vegetable contains a lot of water, so squeeze with both hands to remove excess water. This is now much drier and we are now ready to add the other ingredients to it. Put the grated vegetable in a bowl and add the ginger and garlic paste, the chopped onions and chili, cumin seeds and the curry leaves, salt to taste. It's now time to add the important ingredient, the gram flour. Add about 1/4 of a cup and mix well. This will bind all the vegetables together. Once it's all well combined, use your hand to make small balls out of the whole mixture. Now heat some oil in a pan and remember to keep the flame on medium heat. Shape the mixture in small balls and keep putting them in the oil to fry. Make sure you turn the kofta balls on the other side as well so it fries all around it. The color has turned golden, which means it's now ready and we can take it out of the oil. For the next part, we will need to prepare for the gravy. So we'll need onions, curry leaves and ginger and garlic paste, mustard seeds, few methi seeds and cumin seeds, curry powder, garam masala, salt to taste, chopped tomatoes and coriander leaves. In a pan, heat some oil. Fry the cumin seed, mustard seed and methi seeds. Stir because they can easily get burned. Now add the onions and let it fry. Now add the curry leaves and the ginger and garlic paste and carry on frying. Next to go in are the chopped tomatoes and salt. Cooking till the tomatoes are all soft and mushy. We will now add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Add water and stir well. Leave it to cook for a couple of minutes. Add a teaspoonful of garam masala. Let all these beautiful spices cook together for a couple of minutes and then add 800 ml of water and bring it all to a boil. As you can see, the gravy is now boiling, so it's ready. Add the kofta balls to the boiling gravy and dim the flame to low. Let it all cook for a few minutes. You will notice that the water will reduce because the kofta balls will absorb quite a lot of it, so the gravy will dry up. Just add some coriander leaves to the top for garnishing, and we're all set to serve. Thank you for watching. Bye.